Well, here I am, world's greatest handyman. Oh, yeah, I'm really bad at doing handy stuff, but you know, I've gotten myself some tools and benches to help me so I at least have the right equipment. And today, I'm gonna put this bad boy up. Pittsburg, remote controlled electronic hoist. And it's got this, you know, up and down and up and downy thingy, and it's gonna go up here. You know, like, well, why are you gonna put that up there? I said, well, because when we get our rooftop tent, we're gonna back it in, and the rooftop tent is gonna stay up here. That's gonna be storage. Kind of like we do with the canoe, but you know, that's kind of a manual thing. And we wanted to have an electronic winch so that it wouldn't, you know, do things like blow out our backs and stuff like that, because that's a real concern. Now, before I do that, I'm gonna put some lights up here also, because it has a tendency to get a bit dark in here. So anyway, follow me today on my probably somewhat expletive-filled journey as I put this stuff together. First thing done, turn the light on. We've got one of them hooked up. I've got 3 more to do so that I have enough light in here to work on things. I can probably string that up, put that up to the top for right now. But that's like 6 uppy downies with that. Lots of fun. Wow, look at that. Is that a lot better in here? Now I know I need to tie those up. I just don't have the right thing, of course, which means that, you know, got to go back to the store, but that's kind of the way it goes, right? Okay, now I'm going to put this thing in with these right up about there, and it's going to tie across, and that will be my frame so that I can put these on, and then these go right here. So it's going to go across just kind of like that. So goes the theory. We'll see if we can make it work, okay? So you know how feckless I am with tools, right? I got this impact drill so that I could do more stuff, right? And I got these tools, and so now I got my drill bit that I need to drill the pilot hole so that I can put this thing in with this. You know what I need? I need a drill bit adapter. So I at least have the right equipment. Do I have a drill bit adapter? No. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go back to the old-fashioned plug-em drill so that I can go up there, plug it in while I'm on that, and drill some frigging pilot holes. I love being a handyman. Here.
Too short.
16-inch on center, right? Probably 2 foot on center. the inexpensive thingy that I got. I need that much more space. That much more space. I have the attachments to make it go in, so I guess we're going to the store. You know, it's my life. I'm a handyman. So if you're anything like me, when I go shopping at the hardware store that, you know, I know nothing about, well, $130 later, because this thing wouldn't work. What's the next size? Yeah, you got it, the 10-footer, which means that me and Mr. Hacksaw are gonna do some work. That's gonna be fun. And because I was just never really comfortable with that. And I had some washers and stuff. I thought, well, let's get, then of course I had these and I didn't think that was enough. So now I got the 4-inch suckers. They're gonna go in there. And that's gonna be held nice. And these are magnetic. So I think that's gonna be better. Right like that. We also got our straps. And we got this D-ring. And of course, then I got my adapter from my impact driver. And my adapter there so that I can actually use that when I'm up there. Now these are gonna go right on there, and then the strap is gonna go onto the ring. But you remember Gilligan's Island, that 3-hour tour? We are now 2 hours into this project. Now I got my lights up and I got a couple of holes drilled, but sure seems to me like I got a long way to go. It's gonna be more than this hour project, I think. Like just about anything I do in the garage. Well, we're having fun though, right? Yeah, that was 5 minutes with the hacksaw. So she went off to get me a reciprocating saw. You know, because I always wanted a reciprocating saw. So I'm gonna have a reciprocating saw now. Yep, just another hour in. Oh well, see what else I can do. So that's how that ring setup is gonna go and hold those in place. Okay, and then of course this stuff is gonna come in underneath the rooftop tent. I got me a reciprocating dang saw, and that cut through there like a knife in hot butter. Yeah, something like that. Never in my life did I think I'd have a reciprocating saw. But you know, because I wanted to build my own left for $100, I'm now up to about $250 worth of stuff I bought. That'll work. Hey Team Fun. We got it up there. But, you know, so it comes down. But it's really wobbly on the one side. Really on both sides. It's just not right. So even though I put those huge 4-inch leg, leg bolts in there. It just didn't grab. So I'm going to have to go up into the roof or into the ceiling and get some big, huge U-bolts or something like that. Strap them over the actual 2x6. So, that'll be the next part of the video. I don't know when I'm going to do that because I'm really, really tired. Anyway, bye. Well, it's about a week later, and we got it all in. Got my nice lights up and the winch. And you can see this is up a little bit. What I did is they came on over here and kind of put that so it'd be out of the way and I wouldn't hit myself. And I did get some big U-bolts up there. Oh yeah. And I put the other part of the bar that I had cut up in the ceiling on top of the joists, rafters, whatever you call them, and the U-bolt goes up and over that and is now in, and that's screwed in real tight on the inside there. And so that just worked really, really slick. And then when we're done with that, we just come on over here, tie that right down there, and that's nicely out of the way. So, should be getting the rooftop tent this week, and so that'll be a lot of fun when it comes on in, and we'll show you how that goes, okay?